Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make yummy egg drop curry. It goes well with chapathi, pulav, rice and even with idli dosa. Let's get started. Heat a kadai and add 1 tablespoon of oil. When it is hot, add half teaspoon of fennel seeds and little curry leaves. Fry them for a while. I have coarsely grinded 2 onions in the mixer jar and I'm going to add the onion paste to the oil. Instead of onion, you can also use shallots. That gives a very nice flavor. Saute the onion for a few minutes. When the onion is half cooked, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute them well till the raw smell of ginger garlic paste goes off. I've been sauteing it for almost a minute now. Then I'm going to add the tomato paste. I have grinded 2 medium-sized tomatoes in the mixer jar to a fine paste and adding it now. Give it a mix. After adding tomatoes, I'm going to add salt to taste for this curry. Adding salt at this stage helps the tomatoes to get cooked faster. Mix well. When the tomatoes are half cooked, I'm going to add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder and quarter teaspoon of garam masala. Mix well and you have to cook till the raw smell of the masala powders goes off completely. Keep stirring it. Reduce the heat to low and keep cooking it till the raw smell goes off. I've been sauteing it for almost 2 minutes now. The raw smell has gone completely. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of water. Mix well and let it come to boil. Do not add more water at this stage. 1 cup of water will get you the right consistency. It has started to boil. Meanwhile, we prepare a coconut paste. For this, in the mixer jar, I have taken little coconut, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds. Add little water and grind it to a fine paste. Once the curry starts to boil, you can see that it has become little thicker. At this stage, I am going to add the ground coconut paste. Mix well. And to this, I am going to add about 1 cup of water. Give it a mix and let it come to boil. Only then the raw smell of the coconut paste will go off. When it starts to boil, reduce the heat to the lowest possible and then I'm going to add the broken egg one after the other. Instead of breaking the egg directly on top of the curry, I have broken the egg into a small cup and then adding it one after the other. Doing it this way works better for me. Always drop the egg by leaving sufficient space between each other. I've added 4 eggs and then now I'm going to close it with the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes in low flame. It's been 10 minutes now. Let's open and you can see the egg floating on the top. It's been cooked completely. So that's all. Finally, garnish with little coriander leaves and then you can turn off the heat. Such a simple and very delicious egg drop curry is now ready. You can serve this with chapathi, pulav, rice and idli dosas. Do give it a try at home and post your feedback. And if you like this video and if you wish to watch more such interesting recipes, do subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.